In the shadow of the pyramids rise, golden sun paints the skies, whispers in the desert breeze, stories of the pharaoh's deeds. Nile flows with ancient grace, through time we find our place. Sphinx stands tall, a guardian's gaze, mysteries in these endless days. Oh, ancient sands we walk, oh, hear the ancients talk. Underneath the stars we find echoes of another time. Hieroglyphs on temple walls, secrets of the kings and halls. Gods above watch from afar, guiding us where we are. Pyramids reach for the sky, legacy that will not die. History in every stone, this land we proudly own. Desert sands whisper low, tales of ages